Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the basics construction of enhancement type MOSFET. The enhancement type MOSFET is also called E-only MOSFET because the only mode that exists in this MOSFET operation is the enhancement mode. No depletion mode operation is possible in this enhancement type MOSFET. That's why it is also called E-only MOSFET. Next, enhancement type MOSFET has no depletion layer, that is, it has no pre-existing depletion layer. The construction of the E-only MOSFET is that first we have to take a P-type substrate. So this is a P-type substrate, so I am writing P sub, and with this P-type substrate first a N-type doping will be done at two different places, like a N-type doping has been done in this region, that is N doping, and there is also a area or region is there where N doping has been done. So this is the N doping region, and over this N doping region we will give a silicon dioxide layer or oxide layer like this. So this is the silicon dioxide layer that I have drawn in the red color, and over this silicon dioxide layer we will give a metal layer like this. There will be a metal layer and there will also be a metal layer like this, and there is a third metal layer here. So the orange color layer is the metal layer. A metal connection will take out from the three metal layer, and there is another metal layer is made here with the substrate, because enhancement type MOSFET will have four terminals. So this terminal is the substrate terminal or SS. This will be the drain terminal, that is D. This will be the source terminal, that is source S, and this is the gate terminal or G. In this way the enhancement type MOSFET is fabricated, and we can see that this one is the SiO2 and this one is the metal. Now these enhancement type MOSFET are of two types, and since this is a P-type substrate has been used, so the name of this enhancement type MOSFET is N-channel E-only MOSFET. Similarly, we can draw or we can fabricate a P-channel E-only MOSFET. For that we need to take a N substrate material. So if I take a N substrate material like this, so this is a N sub material, and within this N sub material a two doping regions has been created by P doing the P doping. So this is the P doping region, Now above this, and the silicon dioxide layer looks like this in the red color. So this is the silicon dioxide layer or the oxide layer. Above this, a metal layer is given in the following manner. So the green color layer is the metal layer from which the metal lines has been taken out, and there is also a metal layer here to give the substrate terminal. So this is the substrate terminal, this will be the gate terminal, this is the drain terminal, and this is the source terminal. Since we have used n-type substrate, so the name of this E-only MOSFET is p-channel E-only MOSFET. So these are the two types of E-only MOSFET. First one is this N-channel E-only MOSFET, and the second one is the P-channel E-only MOSFET. Now let us look what is the advantage of using this MOSFET, that is the advantage of the E-MOSFET. So the first advantage is that the size and the cost factor. So the size and the cost of the MOSFET is very low. Since the size of the MOSFET is very low, that means in a MOSFET chip the packing density can be very high. Secondly, fabrication of the E-only MOSFET are done using the VLSI technology, and which is a very easier technology, so the fabrication method is very easy. With VLSI technology. Third one is that the E-only MOSFET will provide better performance compared to the depletion MOSFET. So E-only MOSFET has better performance than the depletion type MOSFET. So this is all about the introduction of E-only MOSFET. Thank you.